This iPhone 18 Pro leak will literally make you say, is this for real? We have seen the same basic iPhone design for years now. But Apple might be about to flip the script entirely. They might actually make the iPhone 18 Pro Max partially transparent. Yes, you heard that right. If this massive new leak is real, the iPhone is going to look completely different in 2026. New reports from major sources like MacRumors, CNET, and Forbes are all pointing to the exact same thing. Apple is quietly testing one of the most unusual and insane designs we have ever seen on a Pro model. And no, we are not just talking about another slightly different shade of blue or gray. According to multiple fresh leaks straight from the supply chain, Apple may introduce a brand new glass finish. This new finish will create a stunning semi-transparent effect on the back of the phone. Think about the fully solid, frosted glass design we have right now on recent iPhones. Now, imagine replacing that with a new panel that lets you slightly see the internal structure beneath the glass. It will not be totally clear like those wild concept phones or the Nothing phone. Apple likes to keep things elegant and premium. It will be just enough transparency to make the device look incredibly futuristic. If Apple actually ships this exact design, the entire phone is going to feel so much more unified. The glass back and the titanium frame will visually blend together. It will eliminate that sharp, strong contrast between materials that current iPhones suffer from. It will look like one seamless piece of advanced technology, but the massive design changes do not stop at the glass. Apple might finally be fixing a huge complaint. Users have been criticizing the dull and boring Pro colors for years. Let us be honest, the recent Pro colors have been playing it way too safe. Leaks now strongly suggest the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will launch with far bolder and richer finishes. The most talked about color right now is a deep, gorgeous burgundy red. We all know Apple has released red iPhones before. But those are usually the base models, or they come out months after the initial launch to boost sales. This time is completely different. This deep burgundy red could be a Pro-exclusive color, and it might drop on day one. Even better, this color may be built directly into the titanium frame itself, rather than just being a thin coating on top. This means the finish will look much richer, deeper, and last way longer without chipping or fading. Other experimental colors currently in testing reportedly include a sleek coffee brown and a very dark, stealthy purple tone. Now, let us talk about the front of the phone and the display. The actual screen sizes probably will not change much this time around. The iPhone 18 Pro is fully expected to keep its 6.3-inch display. The larger iPhone 18 Pro Max will likely stay at that massive 6.9-inch size. But wait, because Apple is planning a different kind of massive display upgrade. They are not giving you a bigger screen, but they are giving you a much smaller dynamic island. According to top leaks, the dynamic island is finally going to shrink. It could be reduced by around 35%. This is huge news. A smaller island gives you so much more active screen space. It will be amazing for watching videos, playing games, and using apps without that big pill shape blocking your view. Instead of completely removing it, Apple is just making it smaller and less distracting. The dynamic island is still incredibly useful for background tasks, notifications, and live activities, so keeping it around makes perfect sense. Meanwhile, there are whispers that Apple is also actively testing under-display Face ID. This is the holy grail of smartphone design. It would eventually lead to a completely uninterrupted, full-screen display in future iPhones without any cutouts at all. However, we have to be realistic here. Most top analysts believe that specific technology is just not ready yet. It will probably not arrive until a later generation. Possibly saving that big reveal for the iPhone 20. But do not worry, because this is where things get really interesting for the iPhone 18. Some massive camera upgrades are set to arrive much sooner. According to leaks, Apple is preparing to increase the front-facing camera to a massive 24 megapixels. This is a major, highly anticipated jump compared to the current 12-megapixel sensor we have had for a while. What does this mean for you? It means significantly sharper selfies. It means crystal clear video calls. And most importantly, it means much better raw footage for creators who love filming directly from their phone's front camera. when you combine all of these things together, the picture becomes clear. A futuristic semi-transparent design. Bold new built-in Pro colors like deep burgundy. A 35% smaller dynamic island. Massively upgraded 24-megapixel cameras. And of course, Apple's next-generation silicon chip powering the whole thing. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could easily become one of the most exciting and interesting iPhones Apple has released in many years. In my opinion, this is exactly the dramatic shakeup the iPhone lineup needs right now. The smartphone market has felt a bit stale lately, with everyone just copying the same basic glass slab design. If Apple actually pulls off a premium, semi-transparent look without making it look cheap, it will instantly become a massive status symbol. The deep red titanium built into the frame sounds absolutely incredible, and shrinking the dynamic island is a quality-of-life update we all desperately want. But here is the real question for you. Will Apple actually have the courage to launch a semi-transparent iPhone? Or are these leaks just revealing hidden prototypes that we may never actually see hit the shelves? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.